they've had a yellow coat.
A speech. This is about democracy. This is about letting the people have their voice. This school is unwanted, unnecessary and obscene and waste of public money. And it's also desecrating the beautiful landscape, and it's against the policies of the National Park Planning Committee, and they should be ashamed of themselves.
It'll be...
Make it known too far in advance, because you know...
Llanegryn.
There are so many reasons why this school isn't wanted. You know, this is about communities. The communities have said they don't want this school. It's destroying the fabric of our communities. Not only that, look at this iconic view we've got here. This is a virgin greenfield site in one of the most beautiful parts of Wales, and it's going to be desecrated. The destruction is going to be on a massive scale. It's absolutely heartbreaking. All over the Llyn Peninsula. See, that's what they did last time they wanted to do it.
Well, they're going to do this.